Hey everyone, it's Robin the Delta Crafter, and I'm here today to do a quick unboxing with you. This is a box from Simon Says Stamp. I purchased some items from them, but I also purchased one of the parcels that they have for sale that supports the Huntington Disease Society of America. And this was the $50 box. And so I wanted to unbox it with you to kind of give you an idea of some of the things that are included in the box, and to encourage you to go to Simon Says Stamp and grab a box while they still have some left. So let's go ahead and get into this box. I have my cup of ambition here, and I'm ready to go. All right, let's see. So I picked up, these are things that I purchased. I picked up the new Distress Ink Uncharted Mariner. Can't wait to dig into that. And the re-inker. I always get the re-inkers. I also got the June 2022 kit that they have. So let's put that aside. And I think now we're starting to get into the items that are included in the box. Oh, wow. So the first thing up is this curio clock from Tim Holtz. I've seen this used several times on some of his makes when he releases new products and new ink colors. So I'm excited to use this. Here's a really cute stamp set. This is The Gift of Christmas. This is from Simon Says Stamp. I love this. You can always use a Christmas stamp set. This is a festive angel. Looks like a die set. And some stamps down at the bottom that coordinate. This is from Crafter's Companion. Some pieces of assemblage from Tim Holtz. Look at that little diamond encrusted little ball there. So cute. A little thank you from the Huntington Disease Society of America and Simon Says Stamps. By the way, 100% of the donation that purchasing one of these boxes goes to the Huntington Disease Society of America for research for them. So I'm happy to support them. Here's some square sequins. Oh, this will be cute in a shaker. An unusual shape in a shaker. That'll be nice. Some Gina K stamps. These are some great basic sentiments that could be used on lots of cards. I can see that. Some assemblage chains. These are one piece. These look like alabaster almost. Very pretty. Ooh, this is Santa's Helper stamp set. Look at these little elves. So cute. There's also some Tim Holtz snapshots. These are cute. You can use the Distress inks, re-inkers, and paints and stuff to kind of color these up. I love seeing people do that and kind of make the black and white photos come to life. There's a lot in here, guys. This is a die set, die from Gemini. So it can be used a couple of different ways. I really like it. So it looks like there's an edger, a top layer, and then it makes this in the end. Very nice. Oh, look at these cute little kids at a birthday party. This is from Brutus Monroe. So cute. It's like Snoopy almost. Charlie Brown. Some more assemblage. So these look like they are both of these in it. Yeah, they're both in a kind of a dark metal. Ooh, a paper pad, a Nautical Collection. This is from Crafter's Companion, or Signature Collection from Sarah Davis. Oh, I like that. This is appropriate for this time of year, too. Oh, this is nice. Is this orange or peachy color? The Positively Everything tool. So this is good to clean your stamps on or clean your brushes on. You can use it to put your heat tool down when it needs to cool off. There's so many ways. I have a couple of these, and I'm glad to have this one added to my stash so I can have another place to place things. some ink cubes. These are hybrid inks. These are all like pretty pastels. Sunny Days collection from Simon Says Stamp. Some Wow embossing powder. This is the Sage. I wonder if you can see. Lots of iridescent sparkle in there. Very nice. And then a zipper bag. A large zipper bag from Simon Says Stamp in the purple. You guys, this is a fantastic box. Now, they do say that every box will be a little bit different because all of these products are donated by the companies. So what you see in my box is not necessarily what you're going to get in your box. But I did want to give you an idea of some of the things that you can expect to see, or like I said, give you an idea of those things, because this is a great cause to support, and you get great items. So anyway, that's all for today. I hope you have a great rest of your day, everybody. Enjoy. Bye-bye.